Hi everyone, you are watching VM24.com and today we will be disassembling the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. First of all, we need to remove the screws. For that, we are using a 3-wing 2.0mm screwdriver or Y0. Carefully unscrew the screws and place them on a dedicated surface. The screws don't come out easily, they get stuck in the cover, so it is better to use a pair of tweezers to carefully lift them out. When we find the right way to remove the screws, we gently take them out and place them on a special surface. The screws are all the same type. Next, we need to carefully separate the back cover using a non-metallic tool and lift it up. Gently raise the back cover. There is a flex cable running from the back cover to the main board for the sensors. We disconnect the sensor cable connector and set the back cover aside. Next, we disconnect the remaining connectors: the microphone connector, the side button connector, and the display flex cable connector. And now we can try to pull out the bracket together with the motherboard. Please note that you must use a non-metallic tool here to avoid shorting anything out, because the battery is connected to the main board through the pressure contacts. And pay attention, the microphone is located in this area. Okay, we set the display assembly aside. Then, using a 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver or Phillips #30 and remove the single screw securing the motherboard to the frame. We carefully detach the motherboard on the frame. Samsung calls this part a bracket. We can see the battery, vibration motor and side buttons. Everything feels a bit loose. It looks like someone has already disassembled this watch before. And now our traditional microphone opening test. Unfortunately, I have to disappoint you. If we insert anything into the microphone hole, we will pierce the microphone completely. Also take note of the exact location of the microphone. We can also see that the original protective mesh is missing. This may indicate that someone has already tried to repair or modify this area before. So that completes our disassembly. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos, or on our Telegram channel, or on our website.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.